राज्यांतल्या अपंगूळ लोकांचेर सरकारान आड नदर केल्या. तशेंच खासा भुरग्यांक स्कुलांनी सुविधा दिवपी येवजण सरकारान चालीक लावंक ना म्हूण गोंयच्या डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स असोसिएशनान पणजे आझाद मैदानार धरणे धरलें. खासा ऑलिंपिक्सांतल्या भुरग्यांक 25 लाखांचें इनाम अजूनय दिल्लें ना. ह्यो मागण्यो पुराय करून संघटनेक सरकारान एका म्हयन्याचो प्रास दिला. नाजाल्यार आंदोलन करपाची शिटकावणी दिल्या.
We are having this protest dharna today to highlight the neglect of the of the disabled persons by the state government. The state coordination committee meeting was supposed to be held in March, but last minute they postponed it without any notice to us. And even though after 2 months have passed, the state coordination committee meeting has not been held. The education scheme for the children with special needs is also pending for the last 3 years. Despite various reminders. Then Special Olympics children also have not been paid an amount of 25 to 30 lakhs, which they were supposed to get from the Sports Authority of Goa. That is also pending for the last 2 or 3 years. And we are giving them government a 1 month ultimatum to resolve our pending grievances. Otherwise, we will have an indefinite protest.
There are some children with physical disabilities, there are children with autism, wherein they need a physiotherapist, they need a speech therapist, they need an occupational therapist. But since the government is not giving support, the parents have to spend from their own pocket, taking their children far away to a speech therapist.
Inaction of the government and the non-passing of the scheme means children with disabilities are attending general schools, but they don't have facilities of physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy. They don't have the advantage of having a special teacher for drama or dance or music, which is not fair to parents who want their children to be in a regular school.
फाटल्या वर्सा परस ह्या वर्सा गोंयांत तंबाखू उत्पादनांचो वापर करपी लोकांचो आंकडो 60% वाडला. गोंयांत वेस्टर्न लायफस्टायल आशिल्ल्यान लोक सिगरेट ओडटात. गोंयांतल्या 25 ते 35 पिरायेच्या गटांतल्या बायलांचें सिगरेट ओडपाचें प्रमाण वाडलां. इंडस हेल्थ प्लस कंपनीन गोंयांत तंबाखू उत्पादन वापराचेर सर्वे केला. इंडस हेल्थ प्लस कंपनीन संवसारीक तंबाखू विरोधी दिसा निमतान पणजे जागृताय घडोवन हाडली.
In Goa, we happen to do an Indus abnormality report which clearly states that there are females in the age group of 20 to 25, males at the age group of 40 to 55 with high intake of tobacco, and the chances of lung cancer and oral cancer has increased to 7 to 10%. Their chest gets affected and then the breathing problem starts.
दक्षिण गोंय जिल्हाधिकारी कार्यालयान संवसारीक तंबाखू विरोधी दिसा निमतान मडगांवां रॅली दवरिल्ली. ह्या वेळार चली भुरगीं वाचोवपा विशीं जागृताय केली.
Largest killer after the road traffic accidents in Goa. So this deadly disease, and particularly I am very happy to see the participation of young population here, because they are the torch bearers of creating this awareness.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस आनी सावियो डायस.
सावयवेरीच्या रामनाथ कृष्णा पै एग्रीकल्चरल कॉलेजीच्या पयल्या बॅचीची भुरगीं भायर सरलीं. ह्या भुरग्यांक गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या शेतकी विशयाच्या उद्देग आस्थापनांनी नोकऱ्यो मेळ्ळ्यात. गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक शेतकी विशींची म्हायती मेळपाक जाय ह्या उद्देशान कॉलेज सुरू केला म्हूण अध्यक्ष मांगिरीश पै रायकार उलयलो. ह्या वर्सा खातीर भुरग्यांनी कॉलेजीन प्रवेश घेवपाक सुरवात केल्या. ह्या वर्सा कॉलेजीचो रिजल्ट 95% परस चड लागला.
आमकां जे पळय एग्रीकल्चर म्हणून जे आसा शेती संबंधान जे पळय म्हायती आसा ती चडान चड पावोवपाची आमकां गरज आसा आनी ती आमी करपाच्या हेतान हें आमचें जें पळय कॉलेज आसा तें सुरू केल्लें आसा. कित्याक आमच्या हातून 10वी जातकीच एडमिशनां घेतात आमी 11वी आनी 12वी खातीर. सद्या एडमिशनां चालू जाल्लीं आसा. स्कूल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर हें 2 वर्सां पयलीं सुरू केल्लें, 2013 सुरू केल्लें. ताजी पयली बॅच अंदू भायर सरली. आमचे रिजल्ट एकदम बरे आयिल्ले आसा आनी जवळ जवळ 95% वयर रिजल्ट जाल्लो आसा. तुमकां सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार 4 जाणांक बागायतदार संघटनेन घेतिल्ले आसात. गेन म्हणून जे पळय हें आसा हाजे जुवारी एग्रो केमिकल्स ही 4 भुरग्यांक घेतिल्ले आसा. लँडस्केपींग आनी गार्डन मॅनेजमेंटा खातीर तांणी ऑफर्स दिल्ले आसा.
रामनाथ कृष्ण पै एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेज 2013 वर्सा सुरू जाल्ली. फुडल्या वर्साच्यान डिग्री आनी डिप्लोमा कोर्स सुरू करतले.
फुडल्या वर्सा डिप्लोमा आनी सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा आनी डिग्री कोर्स चालू करपाचें आमचें मोग आसा आनी ती आमी करतले.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.
आय लिगाच्या ह्या सिजनाच्या निमण्या रावंडात जैत जोडून स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवा आनी साळगांवकार हे सर्तींत फुडल्या वर्सा खातीर आपली सुवात राखल्या. पूण 5 खेपे वस्ताद धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब मात फुडल्या वर्साच्या सर्तींतल्यान रेलिगेट जाले. तांकां साळगांवकारान वास्को जाल्ले मॅचींत 2-8 हारयले. फातोड्डे जाल्ले मॅचींत स्पोर्टिंगान पुणेक 4-8 मारले. तांच्या ओडाफा ओकोलीन हॅट्रिक केली.
स्पोर्टिंग क्लबाच्या ओडोफो ओकलीन ह्या सिजनाचो सगळ्यात पेजात खेळ करीत 3 गोल मारून स्पोर्टिंगाक महत्वाचे जैत जोडून दिले.
A good corner kick from Brandon, you can see. It went to Sandesh Jigan and Sandesh Jigan just volleyed it inside the corner. 2-0 up for Sporting Club de Goa.
Well, what was I telling you? I have a feeling Sporting Club de Goa will not be relegated. And as dramatic for the top of the table. Now this is Odafa. This is the third goal. So comfortably done in the end that by the end of it, Amrinder was literally at his feet begging for mercy, but Odafa was in no mood to let up.
A good pass, you know, that's what he can do. He can dance with the goalkeepers. He did that.
May not be so tough to call. Here's Odafa turning the goalkeeper around. Still got a chance and he gets his hat-trick as well. What a fantastic performance this has been from Odafa Onyeka Okoli, and he's capped it off with a hat-trick.
We have never given the pressure on the boys. They were told just to relax, be calm. Because if you have seen our last 7 to 8 matches, they were really good, you know. The boys really gave their best. So it's not a question of pressure, but yes, here, even if you see our last match against Pune, we completely dominated it, but it was just 1-1 draw. So we were very confident on that. And with Odafa in the rank in our team, so we are very much positive about the results. So it's a lot of relief also for the second question. What do you have done the relegation part? Yeah, definitely it's a lot of relief.
टिळक स्टेडियमार जाल्ल्या मॅचीन साळगांवकारान गेमीचे निमणे 2 मिनटांनी 2 गोल मारून धेंपोचेर आय लिगांतल्यान रेलिगेशनाची पाळी हाडली. धेंपो ह्या पयलीं 1999 आनी 2000 सिजनान रेलिगेशन जाल्ले. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.